How to repost on Instagram. This is a very simple, no BS tutorial, and this ain't milk. It's actually really good if you're running multiple team pages and you don't want to come up with your own content, but at the same time you want to have the moral high ground.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
And credit the owners. To be honest, you gotta treat your Instagram account as a business, not as a hobby, especially if you want it to pay you like a business, not like a hobby.
This is business!
And to do that, you gotta grow it as a business. And every business needs capital. And one thing that I can help you with is just $5 just to start out. Maybe you need some software, maybe you need a domain that's cheap, and I'll send one of you $5 on PayPal if you just see the secret word that I'll have somewhere throughout the video. It's kind of like a small game, and when you hear it, comment it down below with your PayPal and one of you will win. And all I want from you is to grab a few things. First, a cup of coffee because you are awesome. And also my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you want to grow on Instagram. So the first thing you gotta do, and it actually works both on iOS and Android, is you go on the App Store and you type in Repost. And you find this app. There's multiple apps. Again, if this app isn't available, it's actually free right now. If it gets paid at one point, you can just search for another one. You use an app like this, and what it basically does is it can capture an image from a link and lets you download it and actually share it on Instagram. So I've already have downloaded this app. You gotta download it on your own, and I'll open it. And as you can see here, it says open the Instagram app, find the photo or video you want to share, tap the 3 dots, copy link, and then here it will automatically see the link. Let's test it, because I'm kind of skeptical whether or not if it will work, even though I know it will work. So we'll go ahead and choose some posts, for example this one, and we'll click the copy link option, 3 dots, copy link, and then we'll go to the app and instantly, look at that inbox, we can see it. We can see the photo, and we can choose someone else's photo at the same time. For example, if we go on the feed, for example this photo, 3 dots, copy link, then we go to the app and look at that, we have another one. So if we're just on a session to try to find more content, we can just copy different images and then we can save them later on when the session is over. So if I want to repost this, I just click here, click share, and even the caption will be copied. I can just click feed or story. It will credit the original owner of the photo because it says arrow Tesher down below. So yeah, this is how you do it. It's very simple. You know what? I can even shout you out to help you grow your team page or any Instagram account that you have. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username down below, in the comments down below. We have a few shoutout winners, and are you ready? I'll show you a little trick. All you gotta do is just check here. Remember that a video that keeps doctorate by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out, because they are both really decent, good. They're really good. You gotta watch them. Binge watch. See you next one. Bye.